What up, YouTube? Welcome back. If you haven't been here before, my name is Drip Sparrow. I'm not a guru, but I speak markets fluently, if you can understand that. I don't typically trade stocks a whole lot. I do have a long-term stock portfolio because I do have, the ability to move through just about all markets pretty fluently. Oh, there's something in my hair there. But I wanted to do a breakdown on this trade specifically because most of the stuff that we talk about on the channel is like forex, indices, maybe some metals here and there, stuff like that. We don't typically talk about the stock stuff here, but it's an example of how you can trade stocks very casually, right? You don't have to like become a full-on super duper stock person to catch moves like this that I got. It took nothing complicated, no extra info, subscriptions, none of that. It was really just a good economical decision based off of current logic with what's going on in the world. So let me explain. I'll dive a little deeper. Let me go over to this tab here. All right, the U.S. military will test service members' testosterone levels, Pete Hegseth said. Now, he said that it originally came out like 2 days ago. And when it came out, I thought to myself, well, somebody's going to make a lot of money off that. If there's a lot of armed service members to test, you know what I mean? So somebody's going to have to do mass testing. And the person, the entity that already has, a bunch of DoD contracts. All I did was just look up who has the most. I just looked up on Google who has the most DoD contracts to date for all blood testing, right? And if they're all like, the DoD loves working with long-time contractors, so they love working with people that they've already worked with. Is what I'm saying. So, if Labcorp has already been doing the majority of their blood testing, why would they not do this testing? Just simple logic there. It's nothing complicated. So I went and I immediately bought Labcorp Holdings stock because I figured once this like really hit the wire, it's gonna go up. Number one, because other investors are gonna be thinking the same thing, and then number two, it's like they're gonna be doing this testing long term. You feel me? So the next few earnings reports are probably gonna come out good, boost the stock price even more. So it's something that I'm deciding, I can hold this stock for a little while, till we start seeing, numbers stall out in their reports, things like that. But we should see an influx of Labcorp Holdings revenue coming from, more government contracts. Now, I will say, they are doing like if they get tested and their testosterone is too low or something like that, I'm pretty sure the government's probably going to pay for them to get the therapy. So my next hunt is to find who's already been doing similar contracts with the government, or who has the best therapy for this that the DoD would probably get with, and it's probably one I haven't looked yet. I'm just going ahead and doing this breakdown right now. Everything's still fresh, but that stock is probably, whatever stock that is probably already up. I'm probably gonna have to wait a little second to get like a little bit of a pullback or something like that. I'm expecting, but I found Labcorp, and I'll show you if I can pull up Telegram and show you guys. Will it share that tab? Oh no, it's not on the same little thing. I can't show it to you on Telegram, but go into the free chat, and I sent it to the free chat and the VIP chat. It's in the link in the description. Just slide over there so you can see what it looked like before we actually when we were taking the position. It was like, it looked like it had no reason to buy from like just a technical standpoint, but when you have good fundamentals like that, it doesn't, I wouldn't say it doesn't matter what the chart looks like, but it matters a whole lot less. And very simple, stock popped yesterday, came back, cooled off just a little bit, popped again on the open today. So simple. I mean, like it's not too much to go into it. If you just like, I have a few completely free group chats that just put out news as soon as it gets released, that I have notifications on. So when things like that hit the wire, I know about it and I can go ahead and whoop, because the like when the announcement happens, the stock isn't just gonna like auto pop. You know what I mean? Like money has to, people have to see it. Money has to move. You know what I mean? So if you're just quick enough on the trigger when big news happens, because somebody's gonna always. My son's screaming, but somebody's always gonna make money off of big news. You just gotta find out, where it is and be safe about it. This is of course not financial advice, but for all the stock traders out there, for whatever you trade, taking advantage of these opportunities out, are just easy pickings. You know what I mean? Of course, there's another strategy with our long-term portfolio that we do implement. It's less of a momentum strategy like what I do, like I trade with FX markets. More of a I wouldn't say Warren Buffett, but it's reminiscent of that. But it does have like momentum principles in it, because I'm such a momentum trader, right? It's just like from a way longer term, broader perspective, right? But I'm gonna keep this breakdown short. If you guys like want to see more like stock trades, stock breakdowns, and stuff like that, hit that like button. Let me know in the comments, and that's exactly what we'll do. Because the goal is for me to put out content that suits my audience specifically. I'm not just trying to put out broad content. I'm trying to I'm trying to make sure I'm helping you. So if I can do something more or better to do that, then that's exactly what I do. All right. But yeah, like I said, not to talk y'all head out, just to get that quick breakdown out. I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.